All right, Aiden, go the other way. Anyway, I got a package in the mail today from Newts Leather and Metal Smithy. And in true Newts fashion, I'm going to be sitting on the floor to open it up. Also, be happy, Newt, I finally went and got some saddle soap. Pretty good deal. It was only $4.99 at Tractor Supply. So I am set for life. I got 12 ounces of that stuff. So, here goes nothing. One of my little forged knives made from a file. It's just a little patch knife. It's been sitting downstairs and rusting and stuff. Neglect. I know what's supposed to be in here. So, trying to keep the address on the back. Oh, I'll get into it. There. Yeah, flip that over. Put that back in there. So, Randy made a cell phone case for me. All out of leather. All hand painted. All like way major cool. Toggle on there. And he said there was something inside, so I'm trying to figure out what that is. Oh, that's nice soft leather too. But that's kind of what my touch on, and if I ever make it, it's going to be. It's just like an old world style anvil and a crossbeam hammer. And what does the paper say? Nothing. Oh, it's his recipe for apple pie. Mm-hmm.
Like food apple pie or liquid apple pie?
Liquid apple pie.
Oh, liquid apple pie is good. Thank you, Newt.
And wow. Hey, that sounds really awesome. Cool. Might have to make up a batch of that. And I will eventually be sending you a recipe for my Dutch apple pie. Hee hee. Which is really awesome too. But anyway, big thank you and shout out Newts Leather and Metal Smithy, Randy Mills, hell of a guy. Camera woman. Got it?
Got it.
All right. Thanks, Randy. This is really cool. Appreciate it. Take care and be well. Grayson's Forge out.